Alright guys, welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we have a Q50 in, and I'm going to teach you how to remove this little bezel right here, this portion that has the camera, and then the two lights and the the little button. Yeah, so let's get to it. Alright, so first things first, we're going to open our trunk up, and this tutorial is basically just like a bunch of clips and a couple tens. So grab your clip remover, pull these out. And then when you get to this, pull the little latch out of the slot right there. And you're just going to pry on the back side of this. That'll break free. Not break free, but it'll come free. We're going to tuck that in there. And we got another one right here in the center. And then this also pops out. Just go on the back side of the handle pull. Pop that out. And we're going to come up here. Pop this out, more clips. Alright, so now we have all the clips out, and this is just going to slide over the latch, and it's going to open up the inside of the trunk. And when you look in here, you're going to see there's another electrical connection, so let's just start there. So pop that loose, and we'll go to this side. Pop that loose. So once we get these harnesses right here unplugged for the trunk taillights, we're going to go up to our camera portion, and we're going to unplug that because we need to pull the camera portion out in order to get the trunk taillights out. So we're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4 8mm nuts. We're going to take these off first. There's 1, 2, and I actually missed a plug right here, so make sure that you take this one off as well. So there should be 2. There's one for the trunk release and then one for the camera. Then we have 2 more 8mm right here. And then when I'm doing these, I just like to make sure there's going to be plastic tabs in here that basically locate where the trunk Infiniti logo, whatever you want to call this portion, there's 2 little like locating tabs. So you're going to want to go under here. Are you able to see me? So you're going to see this black tab right here? You're going to want to pry up on that and release that first, because if you start by just pulling on that piece, it's going to break those. You want to go on the bottom side. Okay, so on the passenger side there's also one of those. We're just going to kind of assist that up and pop that up out of there, and then that should be all of them. We're going to come on this side. Something is holding. This side's kind of like a little harder to see, so if you saw me do it on the driver's side, just repeat that over here. Alright, so then we're going to come to the outside of the car and just kind of give it a little wiggle. That'll pop up, and we have these 2 electrical connections. Just slide your clip remover in there if you still have it in your hand. And those are already unplugged, so we can take those out. And that is how you remove a camera trunk release portion on a Q50.